This is my Lowepro BP250 Droneguard Backpack. I've been using it for about 6 months now. It's not a new backpack. It came out about 4 years ago. It's been reviewed before, but I think it's still a great choice for carrying my drone, my DSLR, my GoPro, and all the accessories. And it costs just over 100 US, which I think is a great price for what you get in this backpack. Like I said, it's been reviewed before, but I thought I would do a video showing how I pack mine out and a simple modification that I made to the backpack. So let's get started. Starting on the front webbing panel is a Streamlight PT1L and my Spyderco Mantra 3. It has two side pockets. One side pocket I use for my water bottle. The other side I use for my travel tripod. Moving to the top of the bag, we have a top front pocket, which I use for a spare cell phone in case my primary phone goes down. I also have a couple of extra cables, more SD cards, and wipes for cleaning lenses. It also has a small lanyard for attaching keys, so you don't lose your keys. In the middle top pocket, I keep my DSLR, a 55 to 250 millimeter zoom lens, additional cables, charger for the DSLR, and spare batteries. In the back of the backpack, I carry my laptop, which I'm filming this video with, and my landing pad. They both fit quite nicely in the back pocket. And now for my favorite compartment on the Lowepro BP250, the main compartment. In the top panel, I keep spare props, my micro SD card reader, and a USB-C adapter to connect it to my laptop. I have ND filters, as well as additional cabling. In the main compartment, I have my Air 2S with my trusty remove before flight gimbal tag. And if you'd like to take a look at how I made this, there'll be a link for that video in the description below. Also, you'll notice the prop holders. I purchased them along with battery terminal covers and a strobe light bracket for the top of the Air 2S. I'll be doing a future video on all of those accessories. I have my spare batteries, my controller, a charger for my GoPro, the charging block and accessories for the Air 2S, my GoPro Hero 5 and accessories, my GoPro floaty, a tripod for the GoPro, and cabling, as well as a couple of additional mounts. Here's a quick time lapse I made showing how I pack out the main compartment of the BP250, showcasing its modular design. I love that each piece of equipment has its own little compartment stored safely from all the other pieces of equipment. The one issue that I have with this backpack is its inability to do this. Stand up on its own. I understand the majority of the time I'll be laying the backpack down flat to access it. However, I would like the ability to stand the backpack up on its end when I want to. So I came up with a simple solution. I took a piece of HDPE cut to size and I scavenged a shoulder cushion from a laptop backpack shoulder strap. I just placed the HDPE inside the shoulder cushion, and then I Velcroed the shoulder cushion to the bottom of the BP250. Once that's put into place, the backpack can now stand up on its own without having to lean against anything. Overall, I think it's a great design, and I really love the accessibility of all the separate compartments and the modular design of the main compartment. The size is perfect for me. It's big enough to hold whatever I need without being too cumbersome to carry. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.